Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to learn centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. A triangle is nothing but a polygon made up of three line segments. Centroid of a triangle is nothing but the point of intersections of median is called a centroid of a triangle. So if you are going to find centroid of a triangle, we have to take one triangle. Now I will draw a triangle ABC. So it is a triangle ABC with the vertices A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. So centroid of a triangle is nothing but point of intersection of medians is called a centroid. So for any triangle we will get three medians. It may be obtuse angle triangle or it may be acute angle triangle, it may be right angle triangle. We will get three medians for a triangle. Median is nothing but a line segment drawn from vertex to midpoint of the opposite side. Suppose if you take midpoint of BC, here you will get midpoint. This is D, name this one as D. And if you take midpoint of AC, that is E, name this one as E. Next, if you take AB, name this one as F. Midpoint means the length from B to D is same as D to C. So the length of this one is same as this one. Next, the length of A to E is same as E to C. Next, the length from A to F is same as F to B. So here, from this vertex to midpoint of the opposite side, if you draw a line segment, that is called a median. So here, it is called a median. Next, from here to here, if you draw a line segment, that is called a median. So here, here BE is the median, FC is also median, AD is also median. These three medians meet at one point, that is centroid G. So here Gx, y. This centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, isn't it? So here, if you are going to find centroid G, x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. First we have to recall section formula. So section formula Px, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. Means a point which divides the given line segment in the ratio m is to n internally we will take px comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here G is the point which divides AD line segment in the ratio 2:1. So here what is the point of D? The point of D is midpoint of these two vertices, that is x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. This is the point of D. Now G x comma y, here the point P we need to consider G. M is 2, N is 1. X2 is nothing but x2 plus x3 by 2. X1 is nothing but coordinate of the point A, x coordinate of the point A, x1, that is. See here, if you take Gx comma y is equal to 2 into, here this one, x2 is nothing but this one, x2 plus x3 by 2 plus nx1, and what is the value of n here? 1. x1 means here x1 only, x1 divided by 2 plus 1 means m plus n, 2 plus 1 comma, next 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus sorry 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus y1 divided by 2 plus 1. See here 2 gets cancelled, here also 2 gets cancelled. Now x2 plus x3 plus x1, x2 plus x3 plus x1 divided by 2 plus 1, 3 comma y2 plus y3 plus y1, y2 plus y3 plus y1 by 2 plus 1, 3. So this is the formula of centroid Gx comma y. Gx comma y is equal to x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 3, y2 plus y3 plus y1 by 3, or else we can follow one order. At that time we will get Gx comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula of centroid Gx comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, thank you.